once again here. We have joined once again. Dear students, you have joined TV Birganj classes and we are reading article chapter here. I want to remind you, you must ask me any question you have, any question you want to ask related to this chapter article which we are going to read. And I want to remind you the telephone number of our studio 051528299. Students, you can join me here and you can ask me any question you have. So I have told you the number of our studio Birganj Television 051528299. Once again we are coming on to our topic. Just we read the use of A and N, and the main idea I gave you, that idea is you have to use article according to pronunciation, not according to the actual matter what has been written. According to pronunciation you have to use it. That is, here you can say some other examples we can take. You say umbrella, and other word is here university. Here umbrella, here university, here ulcer you can take, ulcer. Here we can see European. The difference we must say here, the difference of pronunciation we must say here, and that is umbrella. Its pronunciation starts with a, umbrella. There is you here. Many students think there is you here, so we must use N. We must use N because there is you. Here there is you, so we must use N. Not at all. You must be careful towards pronunciation of it. Without having the pronunciation clearance, you should not use appropriate article. As I am telling you here, umbrella, pronunciation starts with a, umbrella, not you. We never read umbrella. You not. We never read umbrella. Never. We say umbrella. So the pronunciation is a. Similarly, we say ulcer. Pronunciation is a. Here we don't say university. What we say? University. So here is U, that is consonant sound. University, and here is European, consonant sound, U. Here in C, we see here there is E, that's a vowel sound. Here is U, that's a consonant sound, but its pronunciation is like U. And in Nepali, if we can compare it, here is Yara Lawa, we read Ya, Ya. This is Ya, Ya. And here A. The difference we can understand, A and Ya. Ya is a consonant sound according to Nepali alphabet also. Ya, Ra, La, Wa we have read consonant, and in English also this is a consonant sound. So we must use a here, a university, a European. Here we should use an umbrella and an ulcer. I think you must have understood this. As other examples also you can see, sometimes in the examination it comes EWE, EWER. Its pronunciation is here, sorry, its later is E, it's a vowel sound. Later is E, it's a vowel sound. But its pronunciation is not E, its pronunciation is once again Ya. Ya pronunciation comes and it is said, read you are. And so we use a before them. Now the question arises, the first topic I told you, how to clarify when to use an, when to use a. It's not according to the written form of words. It's according to the pronunciation of the words, how you pronounce the word. If in the pronunciation, firstly, vowel sound you pronounce, an is used, and when you pronounce consonant, a is used. Very much clarification there is here. Some similar examples we can take with this. As for this, as far as this is concerned, we see here the use of article. We are reading, and then in it we can see some other examples too. Why and in which condition we use such articles a or an. For the use of a and general matter, I once again tell you, that is according to its pronunciation. It may be in any form, as you see here, CDO. Here you can take LDO, MA, BA. All are short forms. And with these short forms, what to use? A or an? The question comes. You should use a or you should use an. That is the matter here. That is the situation here. And at this situation, what to use? We have to, as earlier I have told you, according to pronunciation. So the first letter we see C. That sa starts from sa. Here L. It is consonantal, but its pronunciation is L. L. Ella. M. In Luke, it is consonant sound, but its pronunciation is M. M. So here B. Luke, and pronunciation Ba. What difference you find here? The difference what you find here is here Sa. It is a consonant sound. Here it's L. A has come first. A. It's a vowel sound. M. A has come first. It's a vowel sound. B. Ba has come. It's a consonant sound. So before CDO we have to use a CDO. Before LDO we have to use an LDO. Before MA we have to use an MA. Before BA we have to use a BA. You must remember this. With the short forms, when you use, you must have to say its pronunciation. Not only in this, in all. In all, only the matter is the pronunciation of the word, and according to the pronunciation of word, we have to use a and an. That became it, use of a and. Similarly, sometimes the use of a and an comes, we are in confusion. As bananas are 30 rupees a dozen. Here a has been used. A is used in the sense of per. Don't think only a means only a unit. Sometimes it is used for in the sense of per also. So here a dozen means per dozen. You must keep this meaning in your mind. If the sentence comes, bananas are 30 rupees a dozen. Similarly, some other words as unit, a measure of measurement, a unit of measurement, if it comes, you have to use a unit of it. A unit of something, if you have to use, you will use a. Similarly, now we should talk about some the uses of the. The uses of the, some are there as the names, confusionable things I am telling you about. Many students are in confusion, so I want to clarify it. Here, the Himalayas, the Mount Everest. Two words I have written here. First one is right, but second one is wrong. Students learn the is used before the names of mountains. Only these rules they remember. They think it's right. The Mount Everest, the Mount Makalu, the Mount Gokyo, these all are wrong, because we don't pay attention to its actual matter. That actual matter is, if it is the name of a range of mountains, the is used. But if it is not the name of a range of mountains, but the peak of the mountain, if it is, the is never used, never used, never used. It's very dangerous. You must remember, don't use the before the name of the peaks, summits, as Mount Everest is the name of a summit. It's not the name of a mountain range. It is under the range of the Himalayas. The Vindhyas, mountain ranges. The Alps means mountain range. But the names Kanchenjunga, it's the name of a peak. It is the name of a summit. So you must use the before the name of ranges, but never use the before the name of the summits. You must remember this fact. As we can take some other examples here, we sometimes read the use of, in use of article, we read before a superlative degree, the is used. Quite right? No matter? It's nice. But it is not nice for all the time. If you don't pay attention to it minutely, it will be wrong. You must pay attention to it. That is how you have to pay attention to it, and you have to understand it. That's the matter. That's the matter of understanding. You should try to understand. And here I am giving an example in front of you. You see here in the example, this is the fastest horse. This horse runs the fastest of all. You see here fastest, here fastest. Both fast, faster, fastest. Superlative form, fastest. But you did not pay attention to one thing here. What is the special thing? The students can guess. And so I am telling you, if you are in contact with me on the telephone number of our studio, it will be very nice for you and for me both. We will be in interaction. You will be asking some of the things. You will be in the contact and it will be better. So please try to contact me. Try to ask a question on the telephone number of our studio. That is 051528299. You must remember this. And please come and interact. We shall be interacting, then the interest will be increasing more and more. I will be very much enthusiastic if you join here and talk to me. Ask me something. I am waiting for it, no matter. And so here see what the difference I was going to show to you. That is here what you see. The word is horse. Horse. Horse is a noun. Here what you see, runs. Run is a verb. Then you have to see which role is being played by this fastest word. This word fastest has come before the horse, which is a noun. So when this word is a noun, this word became an adjective. So here in the first sentence, here fastest is an adjective. But in the second sentence, it has come to clarify, it has come to show the quality of the word run, which is a verb. And so this word here, fastest is, here fastest is an adverb. Please see the difference between these two. How interesting it is. Generally, our students try to answer haphazardly. Fastest has come, the fastest. Fastest has come, the fastest. The slowest, the richest, the poorest. Yes, you are all right everywhere, but here not. Where you have to pay attention to it. What I am going to show you, the differences between these two. And without having the differences between the two in your mind, you will be sometimes in puzzling situation and you will go in the other way and in the wrong way. So, my students, see now what I am going to tell here. This is horse written here. It is a noun. Here horse is a noun, so this fastest is an adjective. But here this fastest has come to show the quality of a verb. So it is an adverb, because the definition we shall pay attention to now. According to the definition, what we say, the word which qualifies a noun is called an adjective. The verb which qualifies a noun is called an adjective. In the second sentence, the word which qualifies an adjective, a verb and an adverb is called an adverb. And so the difference is that this runs word, verb is qualified by fastest, so it is an adverb. And when, now pay attention, my root matter what I am going to tell. Now see what I am going to tell. If the superlative form of an adjective is there, the is quite appropriate, 100% right. 100% right. But when there is the superlative form of an adverb, this sentence is 100% wrong if we use the. So here this the is wrong, not right. First the is 100% correct because it qualifies a noun, and it has come for an adjective. It has come for the superlative form of an adjective. But in the second one, it has come for a verb. So this the is quite wrong. Never, never and never use such a kind of sentence in your writing. Students, so generally we think article is a very simple thing, but article plays a very important role in our life, in our sentences. Sometimes somewhere we can use an article, and sometimes this we are looking here, and then this is one more example today I want to share. The example, as we say here, he walks at morning. He walks in morning. He walked on morning. Or you can add here any adjective, fine morning. We see here, when at has come as preposition and you have to use an article, no article is used. Pay attention before morning. He walks at morning. It is right. Without article, it is right. Nothing will be here. Nothing will be used here. Similarly, he walks in has come, then the will be answer, in the morning. And third one, what you see, he walked on, any specialized word has come, then an is used, on a fine morning. One thing you saw here, same morning word has come. At one place nothing has been used, at the other place the has been used, at the other place a has been used. Okay, students, it is today our first class. First class is running on Birganj television. We shall continue per day here on the same time, 5:15, and English, mathematics, science, 3 subjects will be running on here. I hope you all will be watching from this time now on. You will be waiting for it, and you will give us feedback also, how you are interested in reading or not, and how we shall think we have been able to teach you very nicely or not. If interaction goes on, it will be very nice. And so I want to invite you once again tomorrow on this, for this TV classes. For TV classes, I shall rejoin you. In the meantime, thank you, धन्यवाद, नमस्कार.
नमस्कार दिपा दिदी, स्वागत छ.
ओहो मुन्द्रु, घर त कस्तो राम्रो बनाएछौ.
तपाईहरुकै आशीर्वादले नि.